I'm Eva and I'm the Apprentice of the Year in Engineering and Manufacturing. I decided to choose an apprenticeship because, as everyone knows, you earn while you learn. It's the best of both worlds, so I could still learn what I wanted to do, but then have the experience as well. And it enabled me to see what the work is really like, because college will do its best to simulate it, but it's only the best when you're actually in the workplace. My employer is ISC, International Safety Components, and we do height safety equipment, so things like pulleys or Karabiners, and they've been really supportive. I started with them doing my HNC, and then when I feel I could be more qualified, do a bit more and move on to the next level, they were completely fine. And any work-based questions I've had, everyone's answered it any time that I've needed to shadow someone for the college work. Everyone's been really helpful, so a nice bunch to work with. I would say the most useful thing I've learned in my apprenticeship is actually seeing where I want to go and seeing what I need to know, because actually being in the workplace I can see, oh, this person's had such and such training, this person knows about this, so that's what I need to do, that's what I need to learn. And then also being better socially, it forces you to say hi to everyone. If you're shy like me, forces you to be better at communicating, so that was good to me. I would recommend an apprenticeship to anyone because it allows you to study the area you're interested in and then get trained up as well. So if you were put, let's say, side by side with someone who hadn't done an apprenticeship, who'd done a course, and you who'd done an apprenticeship, you'd be more employable in that sense. It was pretty normal. All my peers really and people in my course, a lot of them were going into apprenticeships, and the college is really good at getting people into work, so it was nothing out of the ordinary. It feels really good. I was a little bit surprised to be nominated, but it's nice that others think I'm worthy of it. It's nice to add to other achievements as well, because in the past I've been involved in CAD competitions. I got second in Wales, I got the silver, and then I made it to the finalists in the nationals in the NEC in Birmingham, so this all comes together nicely.